is crochet headband. Let us start making this one. I'm going to use medium weight yarn and 5mm crochet hook, starting with a slip stitch, and the V-stitch pattern calls for a multiple of 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it needs plus 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am going to make a double crochet on the 5th chain from hook. Now we are in the end of this row. We have only 2 more stitches left, so we are going to skip the next one and we are going to make a double crochet in this. I have 3 V stitches and a double crochet or some chains in the beginning and a double crochet in the end. Now I am going to chain 3, then turn my work. Now we are going to work on the chain 1 spaces only. So make 1 double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet in the same chain 1 space. Then we skip to the next chain 1 space and make another V stitch. Then we skip to the next chain space and make another V stitch. You can use the V stitch to create a scarf, a big blanket, or a shawl, anything. The stitch will work up so quickly, so it is very easy to finish a project. Now on the 3rd chain, on the side loop, 1, 2, 3, on the 3rd chain there, we are going to make a double crochet. So yarn over hook, insert the hook and make a double crochet there. Now we have the straight edges. This headband is getting worked up in widthwise, so I'm going to make it approximately 18 inches since this has a lace pattern and it stretches. So go ahead and make it to fit your head. Now this one is enough to go around my mannequin. First cuts. So I cut the yarn off with the long tail. Now we lock that one in place. Now I fold it in half, and this is the middle part. So I'm just putting a stitch marker there so I know. Now let us start some fun work. And take it off from the hook. And this is the middle part. So for surface crochet we have to keep the yarn under the work. So I'm going to get the hook. The thread is under the surface, the front top of the work. Now insert the hook in any of the stitches, anywhere. Just make sure you are not splitting the yarn. Just slip stitch. We'll zoom a little bit. I'm going to make the make some vines and a flower. The vines will go like this. So I'm going to surface crochet all the way like that. I hope you get the idea of how to do this one. I will go for a few more stitches. Just making sure I'm not splitting the pink yarn, but I am going in easy way. Now you got the idea. Go ahead and finish the grain in any way you want. So this is my finished piece. So I'm finishing the slip stitch all the way up to the other end. Just I'm going to cut the thread with the yarn with a scissors and leaving a long tail. Just lock it there. Now I made a flower before, so I'm going to stitch it just a little bit off the center here along the vine, and I'm going to add a small bead too. That's just stitching it. My bead can go through this yarn needle, so it is easier for me. You can do a little bit of spray starch, so it will like giving the 3D shape better. And just finish off the stitching, and that is it. You are done. Then we can just join the ends together to form a headband. If you need to get the pattern for the flower, ask in the comments and I will make it available to you. Now to this surface crochet, we have a long yarn tail here. We are going to thread it back and forth so it will stay there, going through the stitches of this pink yarn a little bit, but not coming in the other side, you know. You can do anchor it a little bit over here, then place a knot and cut the yarn off. Go through a few more stitches so it's not visible in the front, and cut the yarn. That is done. Now all it is left is to stitch this one together. We can take off this one. Now keep the right sides together. Stitch both ends together of this headband. Then make sure all the yarn tails are threaded back through these stitches, not visible to the front. If you like how I made this headband, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button so you will get notified each time a new pattern is available. Here is my finished headband. My mannequin is wearing it. This is where the flower is, and the join is right here. How do you like this pattern?